also took this banana bread. And the temperature today is just right, not very cold. It is now 4:32 and the sunset will be before 5 o'clock. We're not going to wait for that. We are going home now. Okay, we are home. Oops. And my laundry, they are dry already. Yeah, I'm just going to pick it up. I don't know, but yeah, all of this that I just washed, that I pick up, feels wet. Maybe because of the moist of the winter. So I'm going to hang it inside here. This also still feels a little damp. Okay, I have that there. Yeah, that is going to be dry until tomorrow, except with the Nike. And I also hung some in here, everywhere around. I don't want to leave those outside because tonight there will be a rain, according to the forecast. Check. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is now 8:00. Yeah, that's 8:10 already. That one is late. Yeah, we are going out. Say hi.
Hi.
And we are now here. I don't know the name, but this is a church. I saw some people, they are getting out from the church. Yeah, Riley and Divina, they are already there. And Nigo. Yeah, the church, they have a business, parking business. Yeah, from here we can already see that Sydney Harbor Bridge is still a little far. To get to that, maybe 30 minutes by walking. And looks like there are so many like a church looking in here. There is one more that side. There are so many beautiful spots here in Sydney. Yeah, that's why Sydney is still one of my favorite. So maybe the name of this place is Greenwood. This first time I've been able to ride the bus. Yeah, we are in the train, and I mentioned to you before that the seat here, you can actually yeah, that is how the seat is. Hindi pa tapos eh. Oh, this is the new central station. Yeah, they are making it like a modern one. Yeah, this is what I just said to you yesterday. You don't need to push. Yeah, we're not going there. This is what Inigo prepared here in Chinatown. This street is like the Pitaling street in Kuala Lumpur. Yeah, this is the Chinatown. So you notice that there are many people, and only few people are actually wearing a mask, because here in Sydney, there are no cases of COVID cases here in Sydney, New South Wales area are only those coming from the other country, like returning residents, and they are on quarantine. But if in other state, like in Victoria and Melbourne, there are around 70 cases local transmission. This one tastes so good, but yeah, I don't like this plastic fork and knife. Not a good experience to eat. Delicious, but I don't like this. The food is delicious, but the pork and the spoon is not satisfying. Oh, look at this! There is a long queue in here. What this should be? Palitan mo yung sunglass mo. Oh yan, dito kang ng buhok. Yeah, we are now here in the tram, and yeah, we're waiting for the next one. They just closed. This is going to be my second time to ride the tram. The very first time was unforgettable. And you know, this is a church, and most of the people that I am seeing are Filipino. Yeah, this is a Catholic church. And yeah, mostly are Filipino. I am sure to that.
The next stop is Circular Quay.
Okay, so we are now here in Circular Quay. Circular Quay for me is like the center of Sydney. Yeah, here it's a big place to see touristic things. You know, if you look at that board, yeah, you can really read the things, but if you are wearing this sunglass, you don't see it. You don't see anything. It's like a broken LCD, broken monitor. Look at that. This Manly Ferry. And if you look on that side, you see that there is a space for the boy to ride on this ferry. And we are now here in Watson Bay. Yeah, we are now here in Watson Bay, and this is like the main hotels. I noticed that they are always busy. Yeah. Look at that, there are many people on that side, all the way to that side, everywhere. We've been here so many times. This is like one of my recommendations. if you are coming here in Sydney. Yeah. And do you know that on the far side, if you walk a little bit more, there is a nude beach. And now we are going to the nude beach. This is my car, Jimny. Yeah, that color. Look at that, that's the Sydney, yeah, CBD. Oh, look at this. Lady Bay Beach. Nude permitted on beach only. Yeah, we already passed through the nude beach. I just don't take video because, yeah, respect to them. Also respect to the environment. Oh, from this side, you're also going to see the nude beach area. And yeah, this is how it is at the moment. Inigo is sleeping, and there are many people on that side. They are just relaxing, sitting there, yeah, watching all those kind of boat. Yeah, and there are more people keep on coming from this side. And that one is the nude beach. If you can see, there are people swimming nude or standing by there nude. Yeah, and the people on the top area, you see they are just passing through. Yeah, there's some ladies and men. Yeah, and yeah, you can see here the Sydney CBD. To get here, there are two ways. You can come here by the bus, and it will take around 1 hour, or the ferry, what we did, around 30 minutes. And this is how it is. So if you take the ferry coming from Sydney CBD all the way through here, you can also walk from here all the way to Bondi Beach. Yeah. Also, there's other option is to take a bus going to Bondi Beach, to Bondi Junction, to Sydney CBD again. There's no direct train. Oh yeah, no direct train from here. And we are now here in the, yeah, this is a town hall. Yeah, beautiful in there. You know, when I first arrived here in Sydney, this one is a normal, regular road, not like this. Nah, and the day after of my arrival, they start to put the cover like a barrier because they started the construction. And now it is fully working. Oh, ako mas gusto maglakad. Oh, when I first arrived here in Sydney, this is where I stayed before. It's a guest house, and it was $25 per night. I stayed for 2 nights, and then I found the apartment. We are now back here in Chinatown, Market City, Paddy's Market. We are back in the Sydney Central Station. And we are now back here in Newcastle. Warata. And there is a 24 hours Kmart here. I'm not really sure if that's 24 hours, but that's what the nigga said. I'm taking this chance that I am with a car so that I don't need to carry this when I'm on my bike, because this one is big for my bike to carry.